Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer Pi coin to Mainnet. So, if you've been mining Pi for a while and you might be wondering how to transfer your coins to Mainnet, this process ensures that your Pi coins are officially moved from the app to secure Pi wallet for future transactions. In this guide, I will walk you through each step to safely complete the transfer. Step 1 is KYC verification. So, first of all, open your Pi wallet on your mobile phone. So before you can move your Pi to Mainnet, you must pass the Know Your Customer KYC verification. Here's how you can do that. Open the Pi Network app and navigate to Mainnet checklist. So here, we'll just click on the KYC option just right here. Now, check if you're eligible for KYC verification. If available, complete the process by submitting the required documents. Once approved, you'll be able to proceed with the migration process. KYC is crucial because it ensures that only real users, not bots, can claim their mined Pi. Now, step 2 is setting up your Pi wallet. Now, you need a secure place to receive your Pi coins. So, in the Pi app, go to Mainnet checklist and create Pi wallet. Click on wallet option, click on unlock with fingerprint, or you can also unlock with a phrase. Then you'll be taken here where you can navigate to your Pi Mainnet wallet. So this app will generate a passphrase. This is like a private key for your wallet. You can save the passphrase somewhere safe because losing it means losing access to your coins. So copy your wallet as you will need to link it to your account. After navigating here, you'll have to simply click on Pay Request and click on Scan or Show QR code. Then click on My Code and you'll have to just click on Share option. Then click on Share Wallet Address. Then click on the Copy button you will see here. Now, your Pi wallet's address will be copied to your clipboard. Now, link your wallet to Pi account. So to successfully transfer your coins, you must link your Pi wallet to your Pi network account. So go back to Mainnet checklist and find the Confirm Your Wallet section. So you'll find the Confirm Your Wallet section just right here. You'll have to just paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Once linked, your wallet will be ready to receive your Pi coins. Step 4 will be initiating the transfer to Mainnet. In the Pi network app, go to Mainnet Migration, then select Transfer to Mainnet, then review your balance. After that, you can confirm the transfer and wait for it to be processed. This step may take some time depending on network conditions. Once completed, your Pi coins will appear in your Pi wallet. Now that your coins are on your mainnet, here are a few important things to remember. Pi is currently in enclosed mainnet, meaning you can't trade or sell Pi yet. Never share your wallet passphrase because losing it means losing your coins forever. Also, only use official Pi network channels to check your balance and updates. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your Pi coin to Mainnet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching.